Brahman, the foundational concept in Hindu philosophy, beckons us to embark on a journey beyond the mundane and into the realm of the profound. It is more than a philosophical abstraction, it's an exploration that challenges our perception of reality and opens doors to deep insights. Imagine Brahman as an eternal, boundless ocean of consciousness. This ocean exists beyond the confines of time and space, and its waves are the myriad forms and beings that populate our universe. Just as all waves owe their existence to the ocean, all things owe their existence to Brahman. This metaphor captures Brahman's role as both the source and sustainer of all that is. Brahman is like the canvas on which the painting of the universe is created. The painting, rich with diversity and color, is an expression of Brahman's creativity. Yet, unlike a canvas, Brahman is alive with consciousness. It is the awareness that makes experience possible, the light that illuminates the theater of existence. Imagine standing on the shore of this ocean of Brahman. You may see the waves rising and falling, each with its unique identity, but when you dive beneath the surface, you discover that the distinctions vanish. Similarly, Brahman teaches us that our individual identities are like waves on the surface of consciousness. Beneath these distinctions lies a unity that defies separation. The wisdom of Brahman encourages us to question the nature of reality. Are our senses reliable guides? Or is there a deeper reality hidden from our ordinary perception? Just as the moon reflects in countless water droplets, the infinite Brahman is reflected in every being, reminding us that the divine is present everywhere. Brahman's mystery extends beyond religion or philosophy. It piques the curiosity of scientists exploring the fundamental nature of the cosmos and fuels the quests of spiritual seekers seeking deeper truths. It has inspired artists, poets, and thinkers to express the inexpressible. The journey to understand Brahman isn't merely intellectual. It involves direct experience, like tasting the sweetness of honey instead of reading about it. The practices of meditation, contemplation, and self-inquiry offer a glimpse into this vast ocean of consciousness, allowing us to touch the truth that lies within us. In this exploration, Brahman becomes not just a concept but a living reality, a call to explore the depths of our own existence and to recognize the unity that binds all life. As we contemplate Brahman, we embark on a timeless quest to discover the profound truths that have fascinated humanity for ages. Delving further into the realm of Brahman, we find ourselves in a realm where words struggle to encapsulate its true essence. Imagine Brahman as the music of the cosmos, a symphony that harmonizes the diverse melodies of existence into a sublime unity. This metaphor attempts to convey how Brahman orchestrates the universe's grand dance. Brahman invites us to question the nature of our identity. Are we limited to our physical bodies and fleeting emotions? Or do we possess a deeper essence that transcends these ephemeral aspects? The concept encourages us to explore the possibility that we are not just isolated individuals but interconnected expressions of the same cosmic consciousness. Consider a tapestry woven from threads of various colors and textures. Each thread contributes to the intricate pattern, much like how individual beings contribute to the tapestry of existence. Brahman is both the weaver and the fabric, reminding us that our lives are intricately interwoven with the lives of others. Brahman's non-dual nature challenges us to look beyond the dualities that structure our world, light and dark, good and bad, joy and sorrow. Just as night and day coexist seamlessly, Brahman teaches that these dualities are like two sides of the same coin. Embracing this insight, we find liberation from the turbulence caused by attachment and aversion. Brahman's significance is not confined to the philosophical realm, it holds practical implications. By recognizing the inherent divinity within all beings, we cultivate compassion and empathy. We begin to see ourselves in others, dismantling the walls that separate us and fostering unity in a world often torn by division. Imagine standing before a vast, starlit sky, feeling both small and connected to the cosmos. Brahman evokes a similar awe, inviting us to contemplate our place in the grand tapestry of the universe. In this contemplation, we transcend the boundaries of ego and embrace the expansive, eternal nature of our true self. In ancient times, sages and mystics spent lifetimes contemplating Brahman. Today, the concept continues to inspire seekers, thinkers, and scientists. It beckons us to explore the mysteries of existence, to uncover the unity underlying diversity, and to awaken to the profound truths that have the potential to transform our understanding of reality. In the end, Brahman is not just an abstract idea, it's an invitation to embark on a timeless quest, a journey that leads us beyond the superficial layers of existence to a place of profound insight and self-realization. As we delve deeper into the exploration of Brahman, we uncover the eternal truths that have guided humanity's spiritual journey for millennia.